traveling once again with my dad. We're going on an awesome trip, and I will give you guys, just watch the show. Peace. Dad's a big Disney fan. Nice tan, Dad. What a cool arrival in Bangkok. I love this place. Always a salute. Very important. Hey! It's Christmas time over here in Bangkok as well. Look at all this.
Every time you sing a song from memory.
The spirit is real and it's everywhere, people. Just walking around, enjoying the weekend. We just started like literally 3 minutes ago. Everybody's out here.
Like dreary weather. Every time you sing a song from memory, and once you step outside, the light sneaks into your eyes. The blooming buds, they have me feeling that I'm looking. So pull yourself together, drift away like
that definitely did it. Super cool kid. Fantastic. Feeling a little bit lethargic, like I'm tired or something. I need something to like get me up, wake me up a little bit. Had to do this one more time. It was super cool yesterday. My dad is the best. He talks to anybody and everybody. He just made a new friend. We woke up like super late. It's 1 p.m. already, and we actually have a dinner date at 5 p.m. So we're just gonna have some brunch. We're gonna have a little bit of coffee. They got the Roots coffee over here. It's really good. The menu is absolutely amazing. This place is called Roast. But yeah, we don't want to overeat. Maybe a couple of things. Let's see how we feel. The lady asked us if we want our savory meals before the sweet meals, and my dad's like, no, sweets first. Sweets first, Dad?
Yeah.
Coffee's here. A lot of sugar, Dad. Too much sugar. No. That's the best part, huh, Dad? So first things first, we got a huge waffle with just lots of cream inside. We got strawberries and maple syrup, scoop of vanilla ice cream. All right, Dad, do the honors. Oh, that's enough, Dad. That's enough. And the coffee's already super sweet, and now all the sweet. This is like to start off the day. All right, Dad, go first.
Come on, go ahead.
No, you first. Oh, you want to do it together?
Together.
We're gonna do this together. Ooh, doesn't fit. Good. I really need to tell you guys what this tastes like. I mean, it's an amazing, like, crispy and soft waffle. Lots of whipped cream, some fruit, strawberries, and a little bit of ice cream. I mean, there's nothing more to say about it. It's awesome. healthy for me and unhealthy for Dad. Dad, you take this, give me that. He wants 50-50.
Okay.
That looks good. It's super cool. Check this out.
Take one of them.
It's like a toasted croissant and it's got salmon on top of it, poached egg, and the hollandaise sauce. And mine's just lots of avocado on a toast and just some awesome like dried seeds in there. You can see those pumpkin seeds and it's grilled tomatoes, which is fantastic. It's got that vinaigrette on top of the lettuce as well, that fancy lettuce. Good?
Super.
Saw a little piece of cheese over there as well. Here, Dad, try a piece of this. Look at this. My dad's like me, he loves big bites. How was that, Dad?
Super.
Creamy and really, really nice. They have cheese in it as well. I got this message with our bill and it's appropriate. Thank you. You got a great spot, Dad. Oh, Dad got an amazing spot. You see where we're sitting? Dad, fantastic place. Look at this. We're sitting like on a staircase. Lots of other people. It's a place called The Commons. They've got coffee, they've got restaurants, they've got everything. It's brilliant. What's that? What's upstairs, Dad?
We have got beautiful handicraft from Thailand.
Oh, it looks like a little market over here where you can buy.
It is mini market.
Oh,
They call it
fantastic.
mini market. I thought they are selling food or something like that, but it seems that it's all handicraft.
Dad is just like me. He's always looking for the food. Hey, I just want the coffee, Dad. I don't want anything else. Roast coffee once again. Our second coffee of the day. No sugar. We had too much sugar already, Dad. No more sugar.
No.
I'm kidding. I got you a croissant, chocolate. No, to go, please. Thank you. And that was The Commons, which is a pretty awesome place. There's so much to eat over there. And I have to finish it off with one of these holy moly, holy yoki pies. All right, I got it. This is what it looks like. Looks like a pie that's got some sort of cream left on top of it. It's supposed to be an egg yolk, and it looks like an egg yolk from up there, but I made a mess. All right, Dad, I need some help.
You did it, you have to clean it.
I will, but can you hold the camera?
No, thank you. If you can help me with this one, I can help you with that one.
All right, I'll be right back. And this is where we are having dinner. This is our family. This is Bunma and Juanita and Dad. Ooh, you can see my shadow. Oh, what's this? Best photo spot. Got the desserts on one side, but you've got fairy lights on the other. Today I'm at the Central Embassy Mall, which is a very high-end mall, and I love this place. It's got a new concept called the open house. And the open house is really cool because it looks like a few stores, but mainly a major bookstore. And within the bookstore, you've got things like this coffee shop right here. It's called Coffeeology. You just saw the sign right there, right? And also, if you just keep walking, you'll find awesome places to sit, like this. And you got this entire bookstore And then it's just got like a bunch of coffee shops and restaurants all over the place, all sorts of different restaurants. You've also got a children's play area right behind me, but then you've got like an Italian restaurant, you've got a seafood restaurant, you've got just awesome little things that you can buy everywhere you go. My God, it's really hard to choose whether you want to sit inside and eat or whether you want to walk around and just check out all the books and all that sort of stuff. Right at the end is a co-working space, so if you can just come over here, you can connect to the internet and do a little bit of work. Right on the other side where I just came from is cinema. This is super cool. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. So for all you book lovers, this is heaven. These guys give new meaning to the words co-working space. I mean, I've never seen anything like this before. Now, the co-working spaces that I know about, I can go there and work, but the problem is that the food is never that good. All right, they're large, but they're not this large. So if you want to kind of walk to a corner and just be away from everything, it's not gonna work. This place just has 100 corners. I mean, you want to go up here and you want to read a book just away from everybody, you can do that. You want to come down here and sit and just check out your messages, you can do that too. My God, this is sweet. I like this place. It's over at the new Park Hyatt, which is attached to Central Embassy, and I love it. I'm gonna head over and get something to eat. And by the way, I did this video because this is the kind of place that my wife would absolutely love. You love it, don't you, honey? Well, I'm gonna bring you here next in a couple of months. Peace out, peeps.